Build production-ready AI system using FastAPI, LLMs, and modern backend design. In just 3 to 4 weeks, this hands-on course helps you move from AI prototypes to a scalable real-world deployment. Learn how to build async, a structured and scalable API for real AI applications. Building AI demos is easy, but building a scalable, reliable AI system is the real challenge. AI applications are rapidly moving from demos to production systems. LLMs require async, a scalable, and a structured backend APIs. And there is a major skill gap. Most developers can use AI tools, but few can build full system. So, who should take this course? This course is built for developers and engineers who want to build reliable production-grade AI applications and APIs. It is ideal for AI/ML engineers building real-world AI applications, backend developer entering the AI space, developer working with LLMs, RAGs, and APIs, a student who understand ML but struggle with deployment. Also, you will learn through hands-on notebook, real-world datasets, and filtering scenario, progressive complexity from basic to advanced patterns, mini projects to apply everything end to end. By the end of this course, you will gain practical skill to build real-world AI system using FastAPI. You will able to build production-ready FastAPI applications for AI system, outcome to design API for LLMs, ML model, and RAG pipelines. Handle async executions, streaming, and background tasks. Outcome 4. Architect a scalable AI system with clean design patterns. The course is structured into 5 hands-on modules. Modules 1. Fast API fundamentals and API design. Second. Pydantic and validations for AI inputs. Module 3. Async programming and LLM integrations. Module 4. Serving ML models and building AI APIs. And Module 5. Capstone project. Build a production AI endpoint. You will progress from basic to building a complete production-ready system. Every concept in this course is demonstrated with real code using industry standard tools like FastAPI and Python. This helps you build API that handle real-world AI workloads, scale LLM and ML system with async executions, deploy AI system as reliable backend services, gain production-ready backend engineering skills. Enroll now and start building real-world AI system with FastAPI. Complete hands-on projects, gain practical experience, and get one-on-one mentorship. Visit ai.codersart.com/courses. Codersart build AI system that scale. Stop building AI demos, start building AI system that actually scale.